So there's pronouns for YouTube now. YouTube, what are you doing? Anyways, I'm going to show you how you can set up these pronouns, so let's begin. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open Brave, or your browser. Second, go to your channel. Third, click your little icon in the top right and click YouTube Studio. Now once your YouTube Studio loads, go to the bottom left and click Customization. Then click Basic Info. Then under Pronouns, click Add Pronouns. Now, what you have to do is just go ahead and type the first thing. So for me, it's he/him. So I'm just gonna type he, click he, and then I'm gonna type him, and then boom. Now you can have it only visible to your subscribers, or you can have it visible to everyone. Now once you choose, just go ahead and click publish here, and then we can go to your channel, and boom, there is the pronouns. So if this didn't help you, subscribe and leave a like, as it would help a lot. And without further ado, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye everybody.